morning, dear students. Today we discuss about a new chapter that is known as the plastids. The plastids means the coloring pigments. The coloring pigments present in the plants is known as the plastids. तो मैंने देखिथिबो हमरा ऑर्गेनिज्म मानकर मनुष्य मानकर बॉडी रे गोटे कलर थाए किंतु प्लांट मानकर कोन थाए डिफरेंट कलर थाए जेमते लीफ गोटे कलर हेताए स्टेम गोटे कलर हेताए सेमिति तमर फ्लावर गोटे कलर हेताए फ्रूट्स गोटे कलर हेताए तो सेही कलर हेबा पई हमर कलरिंग पिगमेंट प्लांट रे थाए से कलरिंग पिगमेंट को कहै छै प्लास्टिड सो द कलरिंग पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट इज नोन एज योर plastids. The plastids is divisible into three types, that is your leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. Leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. Then what is leucoplast? Leucoplast means the colorless plastids. Colorless plastids. Okay. हमरा जो प्लांट रे जो पार्ट टा कलरलेस थाए से पार्ट रे हमरा ल्यूकोप्लास्ट थाए कलरलेस को प्लांट पार्ट रे थाए जनरली रूट इज white in color and there is present leucoplast and this is known as your colorless plastids. The next is your chromoplast. Chromoplast is your coloring plastids. Okay. कलरिंग प्लास्टिड्स कौन जो थे डिफरेंट कलर थाए जब ऑरेंज व्हाइट ऑरेंज ब्राउन रेड ए टाइप डिफरेंट कलर थाए ताको कहै छै क्रोमोप्लास्ट. तो क्रोमोप्लास्ट हमरा को पार्ट रे प्लांट रे देखा छै जनरली तमरा देखा छै फ्रूट and flower. Then next is your chloroplast. Chloroplast is your green color plastids. Chloroplast is your green colored plastids. Okay, green color plastids माने कोना जो प्लास्टिक रे ग्रीन कलर थिबो ताको क्लोरोप्लास्ट कहै छै. तो को जनरली ग्रीन कलर हमर प्लांट रो को पार्ट थाए लीफ पार्ट है से क्लोरोप्लास्ट लीफ रे देखा जाए. तो तुम मानकर कोर्स रे अछि डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर और इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ योर क्लोरोप्लास्ट. तो हम माने कौन पढ़िले plastids. Plastids means the coloring pigment is known as the plastids. The plastids is divisible into three parts, that is the chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. The colorless plastids is known as the leucoplast and it is generally present in your root. The coloring plastids is known as the chromoplast and it is generally present in your fruits and flowers. And next is your chloroplast, and the chloroplast is your green color plastids and it is present in your leaves. Then next we will discuss about detailed structure of your chloroplast. Chloroplast was first discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Chloroplast was first discovered by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. And it was named by Skimper. हमरा एंटोनी वेन लुएनहॉक के फर्स्ट डिस्कवर करथिले अब के बाबे एको क्लोरोप्लास्ट बोली ना दिले स्किम्पर. Like your mitochondria, it is also oval in structure. This like structure, and it is double membrane bounded organelles. यार तीनटा membrane थाए. Okay, गोटे होची outer membrane, outer होची inner membrane. Okay, it is oval in structure. There is present two membrane. Outer part is known as your outer membrane, and inner part is known as your inner membrane. Okay. In between the two membrane, a space is present that is known as the perimembranous space. This space is known as perimembranous space. Okay. Then, inside the inner membrane, this part contains some liquid-like substances. This is known as your stroma. This is known as your stroma. Okay. In stroma, a number of coil-like structures are present, which is from a stalk. Okay. जेमती coil गोटे को थाक थाक करिक रखिले जेमती structure देखा जाए सेमती स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए ताकू कुआ जाए थाइलाकॉइड। ए थाइलाकॉइड रो ईच कॉइन को ए गोटे गोटे कॉइन को कुआ जाए ग्राना। And this thylakoid is connected by the membrane that is known as the stroma lamella. That is known as the stroma lamella. Like mitochondria in the stroma, there are a number of the DNA also present. DNA, enzymes, and ribosomes are present. Okay, like mitochondria, it also can replicate itself. So chloroplast is also known as a semi-autonomous body. Okay, this is the structure, internal structure of the chloroplast. The chloroplast is double membrane bounded organelles. Gote rahila outer membrane, outer rahila inner membrane. There is a space is present in between the outer membrane and inner membrane. It's known as perimembranous space. Inside the inner membrane bhitar ko କିଛି liquid like substances ଥାଏ ଯାହାକୁ ବି କୁହାଯାଏ stroma stroma। ଏ stroma ଭିତରେ coil like structure ଥାଏ। ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ coil এই কয়েন গুড়াক যেମିତି ଉପରକୁ କଏନ ଗୁଡାକ ଠାକୁ କରିକି ରଖିଲେ ଯେମିତି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଦେଖାଯାଏ ସେଇ ଟାଇପର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଦେଖାଯାଏ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଥାଇଲାକଏଡ୍। ଏବଂ ଇଚ୍ କଏନ କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ଗ୍ରାନା। ଏବଂ এই ଗ୍ରାନା ଭିତରେ କିଛି ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଥାଏ ସେଇ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଭିତରେ ହିଁ ଆମର ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର ପିଗମେଣ୍ଟଟା ରହିଥାଏ କିମ୍ବା କ୍ଲୋରୋଫିଲ୍ ପିଗମେଣ୍ଟଟା ରହିଥାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କ୍ଲୋରୋପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର ଦେଖାଯାଇଥାଏ। ଦେନ୍ এই ଯୋଉ ଥାଇଲାକଏଡ୍ ରହିଲା এই ଥାଇଲାକଏଡ୍ ପରସ୍ପର ଦ୍ୱାରା କନେକ୍ସନ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି ସେଇ କନେକ୍ସନ କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ ସ୍ଟ୍ରୋମା ଲାମେଲା। Then या भितर कौन थाए डीएनए थाए एंजाइम्स थाए प्रोटीन्स थाए सेति से कौन करे निजको आधार रेप्लिकेट करि पारे सेति में या को मते सेमी ऑटोनोमस बॉडी बोली कह जाय। देन मुई कौन कहली ए तीटा ग्राना भितर हमर कौन अछंती क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल अछंती जा द्वारा कि से कौन करि परिबो निज खाद्य निज प्रस्तुत करि परिबो तो ताको कह जाय फोटोसिंथेसिस। तो हमरा क्लोरोप्लास्ट कोथरे हेल्प करी द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज योर फोटोसिंथेसिस। Okay, so this is all about your plastids and chloroplast. Okay, जदि किछि डाउट थिबो then comment section रे पचलिबो। Thank you to all.